Okay, we're going to install a TV in the shed. So I'm going to build a little shelf for the TV as the walls of the shed aren't that strong. So the first thing we need to do is measure up some side supports. Mark out the height of the shelf. And then once you do this, get a square and give yourself a straight line. So I'm just going to cut this by hand, and obviously you'll need two of these, one for each side. Next, I'm going to cut a notch out the bottom supports. This will hopefully prevent me from stubbing my toes in the future. This also allows the supports to touch the floor and therefore taking some of the weight. Drill some pilot holes in the planks so it doesn't split them when you screw them to the shed wall. Both sides are now screwed in. Now let's measure for the top of the shelf. Fits like a glove. I've removed the base of the TV to make the whole unit a bit more shallow. I'm also using these metal tabs from Meccano, this will become a common theme, to help keep the TV in place. Quick test fit of the TV. It's a bit wonky as it doesn't have the base. Drill a hole in the wall for the power cable and put a hole in for the strap to keep the TV in place. Filling all the holes and cracks on the shelf with filler tidies it up and it prevents the bugs from having a place to hide. Once this is dried, go around the whole area with primer. Once this is dried, go around the whole area with gloss. I've actually created another hole, a bigger hole, to allow access to the HDMI cable and the antenna and everything else. A few days later, the gloss should be totally dry. And now it's time to fix the wonky height issue with the TV. So I'm going to stick a couple Meccano bits on each side to level it out. Now I need a bracket on the back of the TV to attach the strap. Why not use more Meccano? So now the TV's in place, let's see how I attach it to the wall. Oh wow, even more Meccano! I have so much of this stuff. Okay, maybe that second hole was a bit too big. Also, the cables are a bit of a mess. I'll do a tidy up in another video. And we can see everything working. Thanks for watching.